Kaktovik, Alaska, the home of 239 Inupiat individuals who lead a quintessential Arctic lifestyle of subsistence living in the harshest of conditions. This 1 square mile town is a part of Alaska's Arctic National Wildlife Refuge, a 19 million acre block of land located in the northeasternmost corner of Alaska. It contains an array of Arctic-specific flora and fauna, the largest caribou migration, and massive oil reserves. Geologists indicate that a potential superfield with 500 million barrels of oil is somewhere under these lands. Today, our environmentally focused nation has delayed oil drilling in this area because of its overall beauty and our attention to environmental conservation. However, this drilling debate has not considered the negative effects that drilling would have on the Inupiat daily life. The Inupiat lifestyle has remained constant for over 100 years. Since the mid-19th century, the Inupiat have relied on the bi-yearly porcupine caribou migration for their survival. Families follow their migration patterns twice a year, as the caribou supplies 70% of the Inupiat diet. If the proposed oil drilling sites are exploited, the land over which the caribou migrate and mate will be industrialized, causing them to seek other routes. In addition, the bowhead whale is also key to the Inupiat food supply. One whale could provide an entire community with food. Shell's proposal to drill in the Chukchi and Beaufort Seas would either keep whales from their feeding areas or threaten their species through pollution. Shell and other oil companies have been unable to prove that they can effectively and efficiently clean oil spills in Arctic temperatures, like that of the Exxon Valdez spill in 1989. The Inupiat are known for their self-sustainability, and if their food sources are threatened, it will threaten their survival. A native Inupiat said, "We live in a cycle of life that hasn't changed for thousands of years. We know where the animals migrate. We know when they are going north, when they are going south. This is our home, our land, our identity as people." In addition to threatening food security, oil will also affect the social lives of the Inupiat. The introduction of foreign workers and the indulgences of the modern world will recreate the social context in which these people live. Prudhoe Bay, another oil drilling site in Alaska, has already seen a rise in drug and alcohol abuse with the influx of non-native workers. A report done by the University of Alaska Anchorage showed the negative effects that oil discovery has had on local communities. These effects include a rise in substance abuse, a loss of respect for personal property, and unalterable changes wrought to native cultures. These northern communities are used to being disconnected with the advancements of the modern world. The introduction of addictive substances, coupled with an immediate rise of substance abuse, will permanently change the lifestyle, culture, and identity of the Inupiat. Anwar is a place that holds culture and beauty at the highest of importance. The fate of the Inupiat peoples and the end to their extensive history is questionable as we know it. Is this area an oil field or a sanctuary?